Tribal development or welfare in India. First, constitutional safeguards. Article 342 lays down that the President may, by public notification, specify the tribes or tribal communities. Article 164 provides for a Ministry of Tribal Welfare, large concentration of scheduled tribe population. Article 244 provides for the inclusion of a fifth schedule for the administration of scheduled area and tribes. Article 275 provides for the grant of special funds by the Union Government to state government for promoting the welfare of scheduled tribe. Two, representation in legislatures and panchayats. Under Article 330 and 332 of the Indian Constitution, seats have been reserved for scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly. 3. Reservation policy in this service. First, exemption in age limits. Second, relaxation in the standard of suitability. Third, inclusion at least in the lower category for purpose of promotion. 4. Administration of scheduled and tribal areas. Union government provides guidelines in regard to the administration of scheduled areas. 5. Tribes Advisory Council. The fifth schedule of the Constitution provides for the setting up a tribes advisory council in each of the states having scheduled areas. 6. Commissioner for the scheduled caste and tribes. Under Article 338 of Indian Constitution, a commissioner have been appointed by the President of India. 7. Welfare Department in the states. Under Article 164(1) of the Constitution, there is a provision of Welfare Department in the states of Indian Union. 8. Educational facilities. Measures to provide educational facilities have been taken by the government. Emphasis is being laid on vocational and technical training. According to these measures, concessions, stipends, scholarship, books, stationery, and other equipments are provided. Residential schools have been set up for them. 9. Scholarship. The central government awards scholarship to deserving students for higher studies in foreign countries. 17.5% of the merit scholarship. Economic opportunities. A large number of tribal people practice shifting cultivation. 11. Tribal Research Institute. It is an institute which undertake intensive studies of tribal arts. 12. Integrated Tribal Development Project ITDP is tribal sub-plan. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.